the town like when you're driving a Range Rover.
Expanding
the horizon, expanding the parameters,
expanding the rhymes of sucker MC amateurs.
Inaugural Isaac Newton, and scientific easy. A Ben Franklin with the kite, I get Nova with the key. Now rock, shocking the mic of the many times table.
Rockwell to tell the spell all of the old fables.
Cause I've been dropping the new science, and I've been kicking the new knowledge.
And I'm C to a degree that you can't get in college.
Now the dregs
Of the earth
and the eggs that I eat, I got
pegs through my
hands,
airborne through my
feet, shade, stadium, the radium,
EMD square.
kick out of the palladium. Should I think that I can't? It's the sounds of science. The sounds of science. Science. Robodope. The newest in new.
Right up to your face and dish you.
Waxing and milking all your sweats. Time and money for girls covered with honey. Till I aspire to be as cunning. Feeling a rock and roll, a B-size D-cup. Order the quarter deluxe. Why don't you wait? Come on, mine is kind of blowing like an oil projector. And you get up to get the Jimmy protector. Went to surf and work, then exploded. She woke up in the morning and her face was coated. Buddy, you study the man on the mic.
Do what you like.
Well, drum goes in my celebration, the beat that's making it. Well, I figured out who makes the track. The suckers with the badges and the blue jackets. That's what I was saying, 'cause I keep trapping it. I smell weed 'cause y'all keep popping it. People always ask me what's the phenomenon. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's going
No
on?
one really knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's right. My name's Yao. Constantly on the fountain youth, not Robotron. Peace is a word I've heard before, so
And move up on the dance floor.
I'm gonna die one day, 'cause I'm going this way.
Not like a roach or a pizza
I'm
dough.
going out first class, I'm going out coach.
Rock my Adidas, never rock Fila.
I do not sniff the coke, I only smoke the Sensi Mila.
Well, oh, if I know, I know. Let's go. What I live, I'm right. And that's strictly wrong. I got science for any occasion.
Postulating theory, formulating equations.
Well, teachers, it's no blizzard. Eat a chicken gizzard with a girl named Lizzie.
Dropping science like Galileo dropped the orange.